I am Cesar, proud participant of Global. I live in Philippines, September 18. I provide help amounting to 70,000 pesos last October 1, 2015. I received help amounting to 17,800 pesos from my 20% to 100% growth per month. Referral bonus and bonus video. Thank you so much all participants who have provided help to me, and of course the founder of this unique community, Sir Sergey Mabrude. Together we change the world.